you're your own boss, I feel Filipinos are very timid. Gosh, this one is more soft. Wow. We did accomplish a lot. Hello everyone, good morning. It is a bit windy here in the countryside, and last night it rained really heavy and it woke me up. I feel like I do have a love and hate relationship with rain. I love it because of its sound, especially if you're not doing anything and you just want to sleep. But at the same time, I hate it because I still have this trauma that there's going to be leak in the ceiling and that typhoon that is gonna go back. But yeah, hopefully I'd be able to teach myself to move on and recover from it. Anyway, can you guys believe that it's already December? Wow, 2022 went by so fast. Though Christmas is my favorite time of the year, I also kind of hate it because that means the year is about to end and I'm gonna be older again. But yeah, I just love Christmas though because it's about family time, giving gifts, giving love to your friends and family and the people you love. So anyway, we are going to do a lot of things here in the house, especially here in my room. It is such a mess, guys. You guys know that after Malaysia trip, I had to go to Surigao, and yeah, I wasn't able to clean my room. It's really messy. So we're gonna unpack my bag from Malaysia, unpack my bag from Surigao, and then we're gonna do a lot of cleaning here in my room. Hi, Meljean's gotta work a lot today. And by the way, guys, I'm really excited because we're going on a family trip this weekend, which is actually happening the day after tomorrow. So that's why you guys saw that I got a bunch of stuff for Scarlett. She's very excited. I think this is her first beach in such a long time. So yeah, we're gonna do family bonding, and then after that I might take them to Boracay. I really want mom to experience riding an airplane and my sister as well. So yeah, hopefully the weather stays like this and it's just fine and not rainy because it's just gonna ruin everything. But yeah, anyway, let's go start our morning. Hello, update guys. I just finished washing my clothes and this is actually first batch because I do have a very limited clothes line. I do it by batches, so I'm gonna do this one for today. They're over there and some are actually there, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have to wake up early again to do the second batch. And by the way, since we went to Surigao, I have been waking up super early because Bingo would wake me up at like 6-7 a.m. because we're gonna have breakfast together, and she would just tell me to go back to sleep after breakfast. But actually I'm loving it because I'm able to accomplish a lot, so it's really good. Guys, we're here in the mini garden in front and I can already see the okra has veggies already. Wow, it's so fast. Remember 1 week ago I've actually shared with you guys how they're looking, and now okra has veggies. Look at this. Ta-da! Wow. And over there we have one, and actually all of them has like this one, and see, it's got flowers, so that will bear some fruits, or I mean veggies. And then this is how the eggplant is looking, still doesn't have any. And right here I'm gonna show you, look how big the tomatoes are, but still no fruit or veggies. Look, also the string beans, It has very long string beans, guys. Look at this. It's actually going to the ground. So I think this is ready to be picked. I'm not sure. I will ask Papa later in the afternoon if we could already cook this. And yeah, all of the spinach are there. And over there as well. I really love looking at the veggies like that, where they're already bearing some fruits or veggies. What do you guys call it? I'm so confused. So I'll show you. I've also washed the carpet. You remember the carpet that I put right here? So I hang them in the terrace. So this is how they look. Ta-da! So I just finished segregating all of my laundry. I think I still do have around 4 batches of laundry to do. And also I did arrange all of my skincare that I ordered from Malaysia, my bags, my makeup, and also my electronics, which is the important one. You know what, when I'm in a hurry, I tend to just throw stuff everywhere. But now all of them are in their designated places. Anyway, now I'm just trying to get a bit of rest and talk to you guys a bit. Yesterday, or on the previous vlog, you guys saw that Scarlett and I went to Ayala Center Cebu Mall, and I gave Scarlett an hour to play in the play area. So I was just waiting for her there, and there's actually a viewer that approached me and said hi. That was very nice of her, though I was not able to ask for her name. I'm so sorry about it, but if you're watching this video, hello. I'd love to know your name. Please comment it below. Yeah, I do really appreciate when a viewer would approach me and say hi, that they're watching the video and the vlog. I feel like most of the Filipinos are very timid, especially my generation, or millennial and Gen Z. The older ones though are very good because they're going to approach you directly and would say, hi Meljane, I watched your video, I watched your vlog. But my age group are like very shy, very timid. I don't know why. Guys, if you saw me somewhere here in Cebu especially, and if you want to say hi, I'm not trying to be a big head, okay? Just if you want to say hi, or just if you are a viewer, just approach me. I'm not gonna say no or ignore you, okay? It would even make me happy if you guys will say hi to me. What I hate the most though is when there's a viewer and they're just like staring at me the entire time. It just makes me really conscious, like is there something wrong in my face? Why is this person staring at me so much? Don't be shy, okay? I don't bite. I would even be so glad and happy to meet you guys. I receive a lot of you guys messages on Instagram or in Facebook that you guys saw me somewhere in the mall, or you would even take a picture of me without me knowing, and you're gonna send it to me and say, oh Meljane, I saw you here, you're eating, or I saw you there, you're walking, and stuff like that. That's really creepy, guys, okay? Just say hi, mention YouTube, mention vlog, so that it would register in my head that you're watching the vlog. Sometimes when I'm not vlogging on that day especially, I would not be able to think about YouTube. So I would maybe think, where did I meet this person? Is it from the previous work, or is it from high school or from college? So yeah, if you guys would want to approach me, just say vlog or YouTube, or you watch me somewhere. Anyway, that's our quick chica. Right now, I still have to do something in the bedroom, which is going to be changing the sheets. So yeah, come on, let's do it. Hey guys, update. I just finished mopping the floor in my bedroom and the carpets are there. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Anyway, now I'm gonna prepare me some snacks because I actually didn't have any lunch. As you know, I didn't still have any groceries because we're gonna be leaving this weekend as well. So I'll probably do that on Monday. But I got here pancit canton. I miss eating this one. So I'll have this with sliced bread and 2 boiled eggs. So guys, let's eat. Oh my gosh, I miss this one. I have boiled eggs right here and hot and spicy pancit canton. Bon appetit. Let's eat. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, that's good. Spicy. Just how I like it. What I'm eating right now is carbs and carbs and carbs. The yellow of the egg, right? I think it is. Which I actually don't eat. But I think I need to get loads of calories, so I'm gonna force myself and try to eat the yellow of the egg. I don't know why. Ever since when I was young, I just don't really eat the yellow of the egg when it's boiled. And when it's fried as well, like sunny side up. But when it's scrambled, I eat it. It's so weird. I'm just checking my to-do list. So this is actually what I do since I don't really have like a schedule. Like I make my own schedule. I am my own boss pretty much. So if you're your own boss, I feel like it's so easy to not do anything and just lay around, be on your phone all the time and yeah, just not work. So I always get like these sticky notes. I've actually replenished this one. I got this yesterday. This is very helpful for me. It makes me organize and think of what are the things that I need to do the next day so that I do have a guide. So it says here to do, and then I just put like a checkbox over here so that I could check it once I've done it. We did laundry, so we're gonna put a check. We did change the sheets. And then vlog, yes, I'm vlogging right now. Edit the vlog, not yet. We're gonna do that right after this. Clean the room, done. Wash the carpet, done. Unpack the bags, yes, I've done it. That's good. Mop the floor, I did that. And I still have one here. It says unbox order. So yeah, the littlest things or the mundane stuff that I need to do, I have to really write it down so that I don't forget it. So yeah, we are going to unbox something. When I was in Malaysia, I ordered in Lazada. So come on, let's go. So I ordered this one in Mandawi foam. This is a microfiber towel. So this is how it looks. Ta-da! And I have another one right here. There you go. I also decided to get new blankets. So this one is exactly the same as the one I got. It's a flannel blanket. It's very soft and really comfortable. And then another flannel blanket. Oh my gosh, this one is more soft. Wow, super soft. Ooh, I really like the print as well. So yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. A really quick haul. I was also looking into ordering some chandeliers because I want to put it here in the living area and one in the kitchen as well, because I am going to do a house tour, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna try to add a little something here in the house so it would look more good. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare the house for that. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys, for this vlog. I'm gonna edit this one right now and the one from yesterday as well. So I'll be busy still. But thank you so much for joining me today. We did accomplish a lot, so I'm very happy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!